fix McDonald's app won't let me pay. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the issue of the McDonald's app not letting you pay. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to check your internet connection, make sure that it's stable, and then restart the application. Now close the app completely from your device and then reopen it, and this can help clear any temporary glitches or bugs. Now you can also try updating the application. For that, go to Play Store, then search for McDonald's app. Once you find it, tap on it. And if you see an update button, something like this, highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now try clearing the cache. If the app is still not working, try clearing the app cache. For that, you can go to Settings, click on Apps, search for McDonald's application. Once you find it, go to its storage, and then click on Clear Cache and also click on Clear Data. You can also visit the McDonald's Twitter page to see if there are any posts about recent server downtime or maintenance. You can also check the down detector for reports on your McDonald's server activity. Now try reinstalling the application. Tap and hold the application and tap on uninstall and then reinstall it using the App Store or Play Store. And if you're still having problems, you can directly contact the McDonald's customer support for further assistance. So these are the simple steps to resolve the issue of McDonald's not letting you pay. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.